Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to recover deleted tabs in Safari on iPhone. Firstly, let's start with opening Safari. Now let me just close this tab. And to recover it, the first way is to shake your phone a bit until you see this pop-up message Undo Close tab. So if you want to recover it, then here tap Undo and it will be back to your tabs list. Another way is to close a tab. Let's close one more and one more. And now press and hold this plus in down left corner like that. And you will see this list of recently closed tabs. So you can recover them if you just tap on any tab from the list. And then it will be back to your tabs list. As you can see, I recovered almost everything. And yep, now I got nothing to recover. And the last way is to find information from tabs in the history. For that, tap on the plus and find book icon on the bottom of the page. From here, tap on clock icon and search for the preferred website in this history list. And then you can recover the tab just by clicking on it. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.